All right, what is good, everybody? Today is September 30th, 2025. Today I did try 3 trades, one break even, one loss, and one win. So we're pretty much sitting like net positive or net zero for the day. That's the P&L. Forget the 500. That's an eval I'm trying to pass, so it's a little bit higher leverage, but up like 130 on the day, for most of the accounts, nothing crazy. Let's go into some of the trades that I took. Right, so starting off, going into the daily bias, I was really bullish just because of this, right? Accumulation, manipulation, I was looking for distribution, Asia, London, relative equal highs. I was like, there's no way we don't take that, right? So this 15-minute was my condition right here. Sorry, so I think Top Step got stopped out of break even. Yeah, so I left one runner on, but I closed majority right here. What was I saying? A majority. Oh yeah, I wanted this 15-minute to hold us and push us higher, but that did not happen. Right at open, we dumped. We dumped straight lower, and then we traded back into this 5-minute, and we had a 3-minute short right here that I didn't take, but hindsight, this is a pretty solid trade. To this unfilled 15-minute that we had left, relative equal lows here, so that was a pretty solid trade that you could have taken. And then we traded up into this 15-minute that was created, right? And then I think from the 15-minute, there's like, I don't know. Oh, this 4-minute, right? I mean, if you took this, you'd still be in it. Yeah, I didn't take it because I was extremely indecisive on my bias here. I wouldn't have taken this because we just tapped into this is like a protected low. This is a 15-minute fair value gap that swept out liquidity right here. Like, this is super protected. I'm not going to try to take continuation shorts on that. But the trade I did take was this long. Sorry, that was kind of out of order. So before this 15-minute, right? I tried to take this long. And at the time, I was super bullish. I thought we were going to hit Asia and London this session, right? So I was like, all right, I'll go break even at the 15 and then hold the Asia and London. So I took this 1 minute fair value gap, inversion fair value gap right here. There was a 3-minute, but I was so bullish. I was like, we're probably just going to run through the 3-minute, right? So we did. We ran through the 3-minute. We tapped into the 15 and we just dumped straight to my break even here. And that was pretty tough because if we were going to be bullish, I think this would have been the move. Right before 10 a.m. We go higher, bullish, and then 10 a.m. does the work for us and sweeps it out higher. So after this happened, also these are protected lows, so I felt safe having my stop loss here. But after this happened, I was like, dang, if this move isn't going to go up, we're probably not going to go higher, right? And then we open up this 5-minute right here. You guys respected 2 times. Right, we respected twice. I enter on this second inversion of the inversion fair value gap. I think after the candle close of this bullish candle right here, I entered somewhere in right around here, thinking, all right, we have an order block, inversion fair value gap. This is not a protected low. So we could have low resistance liquidity at the time. It's right here. All right, this would be our low resistance liquidity, and we had the unfilled hourly being the higher time frame draw. So I took this short, and then I got stopped out. Right after that, we created an SMT. I was like, all right, I got stop rated. That's cool. And then we had 1-minute inversion. I retook that once we traded right back into the order block, and then I actually just closed out like with most of my position here. Just because I don't want to be red on the day. I know it's a bit emotional, but hey, I mean, it's still a 1.5 R. That's how I ended up, up $100. on the day. I did leave, on Top Step, I did leave a couple of runners all the way down to here. They didn't hit, so Top Step's probably just around break even. But yeah, I mean, that was the day. Trump is speaking at 11. So, I mean, this chop, it doesn't make sense, but like, damn. Like, I woke up this morning, like, so ready to take longs, rip longs to Asia and London highs. I was so excited. I guess that's where it got me, though. I was too excited for price action, and this is how I delivered, just barcode PA. Yeah, but, I mean, nothing you can do about it, right? ES just took London lows, so I mean that could be a catalyst to start the move to the relative equal highs. But I'm done for the day. I have risked my portion of capital for the day. Like, don't want to risk any more dollars in this PA. So yeah, with that, I will catch you guys later. Not much else to say here, just zigzagging up and down. I don't want to get caught in the chop any longer. But overall, really solid month. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.